What is in a name? Well, for the Clareview Recreation Center, a potential sponsorship of sorts. In front of City Council this week, a proposal for the naming rights to become the Jumpstart Community Recreation Center at Clareview, named after the Canadian Tire-backed charity.
It doesn't feel right. It won't feel personal anymore.
I don't think I have enough information to have like an informed opinion, but I think it sounds a little silly to begin with.
No problem with it at all, because then they could help sponsor, maybe get new things for the rec center and the community.
The exact details of the contract are not public, but we do know the name comes with a commitment for Jumpstart to provide new initiatives and programming that increase access to the center for marginalized and vulnerable groups. Now, there is some precedence. This is the Jumpstart Inclusive Playground, but some say the difference is this playground was built with money from donors, including the company, whereas when it comes to rec centers, those are already community funded.
I think it's great just like that. No changes.
But for one city councillor,
is a slippery slope that I'm really not okay with.
It's not the specific name or company gaining the rights, but the concept.
When we sell off naming rights to corporations or charities or businesses, I think it kind of cheapens not just the asset, but it kind of cheapens ourselves as a community. And I'm really concerned about that.
In 2020, the previous city council started exploring naming rights as the pandemic took a huge chunk out of city revenue. And according to a recent survey on behalf of the city, 62% of respondents were either somewhat or very comfortable with the sale and temporary naming of select recreation facilities to offset the financial impacts of the COVID-19 pandemic.
Brand-wise, because I understand a bit of branding. Brand-wise, it won't feel personal.
Clareview is one of 5 rec centers with proposed sale of naming rights, with the potential for just under $500,000 in revenue annually. It's expected to go before council next month. In Edmonton, Carly Robinson, City News.